the console. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, you can use single or double quotes within JavaScript. They both work. I just like using um, double quotes. I think it's just, I find it more convenient for some reason. Oh, it says it failed. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's an uppercase S within JavaScript. That's why it failed. So let me just run it again. There you see. Good. Okay, on line 2, log the number 2011. So log the number 2011. So no quotation marks. Number 3. On line 3, print woohoo, I love to code. Hashtag Code Academy. I love to code. Hashtag Code Academy. Okay. Just want to make sure that the spelling is right. Otherwise, I'll get an error. I love to code. Yep. Okay. On line 4, print the number 20.49 to the console. Okay. And there's the output, as you can see. Right.